All right, so today, after making those twice baked potatoes yesterday, which were great, by the way, we got the Nun 2 movie we're going to watch this evening, and I want to make us some sausage balls for a movie snack. Sausage bombs, people call them a bunch of different things, but got us a Cheddar Bay biscuit, a zesty spicy sausage, and we're going to put about a cup of cheese in it too. So, and they make this in different brands. This one here is just what I saw first. And you can probably get both of these for less than $10. I think the sausage was the most expensive. It was close to $6, but it was the good kind. So, I jumped ahead of myself there. We got our spice mix. Got a cup of cheese. Now I'm going to get in here and incorporate all of this into the sausage. And by that, just smash the hell out of it till it all blends together. All right, so we've kept punching that down and we've worked in all of our biscuit mix. It's all damp now. So we're going to roll this into whatever size balls you want. I like them about the size of a hush puppy. We should get 20 big ones. You can make them in between, I don't know, whatever size you want. From the size of a marble all the way up to the size of a big meatball, probably. So, I'm gonna keep doing this. And, I don't know, looks like we may get about 20 pretty large ones. That'd be pretty good. All right, so that gives us enough for roughly 30 of them, I'd say. And these are great for movie day, game day, just to pack up and take with you. Really great dipped in sweet stuff. Pancake syrup, barbecue sauce, jelly. But we're going to pop these in the oven, and I'll have to see how long it takes to bake. I can't remember, but I'll give you guys a time on that. I preheated the oven at 425, so it shouldn't take, I wouldn't think, no longer than 25 minutes for them to raise and cook. So it's pretty quick too. Easy. And we've dirtied one bowl, so you can't beat that with a hammer. All right, we've been baking it close to 25 minutes now. They're starting to brown. They're looking pretty good. But that's what they should look like. They do raise a little. They smell wonderful. So, we're going to be dipping these in homemade barbecue sauce today. I better get me a spatula. I think non-stick spray would probably be a good option too. Wow. Yes, probably some non-stick spray first. And we're going to dip these in homemade barbecue sauce we make here. So that's that on the movie snack tonight. And these are delicious. Always dip them in something sweet, I like to.